All right, guys, we're going to show you guys how to install the fenders on the RX7 when it arrives. So first of all, you're going to need the fenders themselves. The long one is going to be for the rear. The short one is going to be for the front, okay? You're going to need the arms that go on the sidewalls of the fenders and the spacers that will go when you put them on. We'll show you how to do that in this video. Also, the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need the number 3 hex that comes in your kit, and also the lug nut wrench that also comes in your kit. It's 21 millimeter. And just grab a pair of pliers. It makes it a little easier. And that's all you'll need. Now that we have all of our items that we're going to use to put the fenders on, we're going to start with taking the actual screws off of the fenders. They're going to be on the very ends. You just take the washers off at the end. I'm sorry, the nuts off the end like this. There's going to be 4 of them, 2 on each side. So it's going to go on the inside. You want the actual arm to go on the inside so that it looks better. And then you line it up, and then you put your screws on each side, okay? So once you get the arms out, so you're gonna, the goal is obviously to, put all 4 of these on. So just take the number 3, insert it, and then hold one side with your pliers. And then, if you kind of ease over so you can get a little leverage, and you can just spin it like this, okay? And you're gonna do that till, it's on nice and tight. So again, you want to make sure this is coming out like so, and just like this one. And you want to go on the inside, not the outside. Make sure it's on the inside. It'll look a lot better if you do it this way. All right, once you get the arms, nice and secure onto the actual fender, you want to go, behind the fender. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 21 millimeter lug nut wrench, okay? You're going to remove both sides of the rubber cover for the lug nuts, okay? And then once you do that, so you're going to go, this way, and you're just going to crank, unscrew the actual lug nut, okay? You're going to put some weight on it. Okay, there we go. All right. And then you're just going to take them off, okay? Just like this. And you're not going to take the whole wheel off, guys. You're just going to take this one screw off, and that's going to be it. So what you'll do is you'll also take the other side as well. And when you get them off, okay, hang on to them and put them right up here, like so. And then, all right, once the lug nuts are off, okay, you want to take the actual fender and you want to line. So it's like a puzzle, okay? You want to piece this. And you want to put, first of all, the fender underneath the wheel well and kind of pull out on one side and pull out on this side so that you want it to fit just like it does like that. It goes right in there, okay? It's just like a puzzle. Just fit it exactly. And the same with the other side, okay? Now, you may have to bend this a little bit, which is fine, okay? So I'm going to bend this side a little bit. There we go. Okay. All right, so once you get the fender on, obviously you're going to put, the lug nuts back on. And it just screws right back on. Now, make sure you put this spacer in between the fender and the lug nut, okay? Very important, guys. You got to put that on in there, and then you just get it nice and tight, and then you're going to take your tool that we sent you, and you're going to make sure it's the opposite direction, all right, like this, and you're going to get it tight, okay? And just like this. And once it's nice and tight, now guys, you want to make sure this is nice and secure, okay? You want to put some weight down on this, okay? So you want to make sure it's nice and tight, like that. All right. I like to make sure it's, all right, it's good. So just like that, and and there you have it. You have, your fender put on, and the front is going to go just like the rear, guys. On the front, I'll tell you this, once you do the screws and put the arms on, on the front, again, the long part is going to be in the front, short part on the bottom, okay? So meaning long up top, short on the bottom, same exact way as the rear, okay? And you're going to put this one on exactly like you put the rear one on.